I grew my business to consistent 100K months without using any paid ads or complex sales funnels. Hi, my name is Marianne and I am the founder and CEO of Smart Mentoring, which is a coaching and consulting business that I grew from 0 to 1 million in less than 3 years. I'm not going to tell you any fluffy theories, but actual action items and strategies that we have tested in my own business and what you can also implement into your own business and seeing fast results right away. So, what I previously struggled with a long time was to figure out a way to actually grow a successful and massively profitable business. I already in the beginning had this vision that I want to build something super big and impactful in my own field of expertise and to build also a team of A players helping me to bring that vision into reality. What I struggled with in the beginning was that I had multiple offers, but I wasn't still making money enough to pay myself even a decent salary. So the first couple of years when I wasn't able to do that, I did podcast, I did social media sponsorships, and I was doing all these type of things that maybe brought some little income streams to the business, but it wasn't enough to actually build a sustainably growing company. And also all of our sales for these low-priced online courses came through paid ads, so I wasted so much money on those ads and I got clients. Like I actually sold over 1,000 online courses in that time, but it wasn't enough for me to make a living out of my business. And it wasn't until I found my business being in a huge loss of over 7,000 euros when I realized that, okay, I need to change things or I'm not going to be able to continue this business and I need to go back to my 9-to-5 job. And that wasn't an option for me. Like I still wanted to succeed as an entrepreneur and really believed in myself and in this business. And I knew that there has to be another way to make this business profitable so that I can actually make this big vision and my own personal dream of building a successful company a reality. And so that's what I did later. And it was less than a year after that bad situation and the big loss that I had in my business that I already was making more than 100,000 euros consistently. And now I'm going to show you how I actually did it and how you can do it too. Before I go into any strategies, I really want to highlight one big thing. Like the biggest thing that we usually forget is the mindset part. I can give you any strategy in the world, but if you don't believe that it's possible to actually make that work, it's not going to work. So the biggest thing that you need to do is the inner work. And I'm going to probably say this in all of my videos, but that is the truth. Like you need to figure out your own mindset first before you can actually start seeing like these huge results. Like of course you can get some results without having the millionaire mindset, but if you want to play in the next level and in the bigger league, you need to really focus on the inner work and make that your priority. I actually spent time and money to learn the organic ways on making premium sales. And what does that mean? So I created this one offer that was in premium price point. So it was in thousands of euros. It wasn't anything like a couple of €100 or 20 euros like I previously had done with my lower priced online courses. So I had this one offer. I had one ideal client for that offer. I had one marketing strategy that I used to get clients to that one premium offer. And that's what I did. I focused all my energy into that one marketing strategy that would have brought these premium clients to this business. And then later on, what I did, the first 100K month I actually did by myself, selling just by myself. I didn't have a team helping me to do that. But how I scaled it to consistent 100K months so that I'm not doing the sales 24/7. Like I wasn't actually doing sales at any point for 24/7. I I have actually worked pretty decent working hours because I have a daughter. Like I have a toddler at home, so it has really balanced my work and family life. But the thing was that I then scaled to these consistent 100K months over and over again by hiring a sales team. What I would say are the most common mistakes that entrepreneurs and business owners are doing so that they aren't reaching those 100K months. And the first thing is that these people are doing a lot of content, creating a lot of content to their social media channels, but they forget to sell. And if you are creating this new need for your audience and you're not selling, they are going to go and look for somebody who is going to sell them what they need. Because in order to make a change, people need help in order to do that. Like if you're going to change something in your business or in your life, like you need help with that. Like we all do. When you're creating content and showing the audience that, okay, you have this problem and here is how it's affecting your life, but you're not having the clear call to action in any of your content, it's going to let these people realize that they have the issue and the problem, but there's not going to be like a solution for them, or you're not going to be the one that they are going to go for in order to solve that problem. But the thing is that if you're an entrepreneur, like you need to feel salesy, like you need to feel that you're selling and pitching your offer. So the thing is that you need to be confident and comfortable with selling. And in your social media content, in all the platforms where you are right now, don't hesitate to put clear call to actions in the end of your posts. Like it's okay to be salesy in that way because you're an entrepreneur. Like people know that you get your living out of your business by helping your clients, and you need to sell in order to get those clients and in order to make a living with your business. The other mistake that I see entrepreneurs doing is that they are selling a lot, but they are not actually giving any value for their audience. What I mean with value is that you're actually giving people something that they can implement in their businesses. Because if you are just copy-pasting some inspirational or motivational quotes or sharing something that like everyone is doing on social media already, that is not value. What I would say that is valuable content is that if somebody can get some wins for themselves thanks to your content, even if they haven't become your client yet. So the thing is that you need to get these people to take action. This is an example of valuable content. Client of ours actually started her company thanks to my free content because she realized some things through it, and she really wanted to start a company, and she had already decided that she's going to come to me to get the help that she needed, but she had already taken some action steps even before becoming our clients, and that was all through my free social media content. So giving people these valuable action items to do even before they ever become your clients is the value that I mean by that you should be giving to people in your social media content. The thing is that you need to combine these two. Like you need to sell, definitely. You also need to give people value. And combining these two is the secret sauce that also enabled me and my team now to scale to those consistent 100K months. Another mistake that I see entrepreneurs making is that they are not even using social media. If you are not getting any results through social media, like I wouldn't say that, oh, social media isn't working, like Instagram doesn't bring me valuable leads. The thing is that you need to make that work for yourself, and you probably just haven't found the effective way to use those social media platforms yet. So if you're stuck and you're not seeing the results that you want, I really recommend you to click the link in the description box right now, because in there we have this link to book a free strategy session with my expert team, and they are going to give you the roadmap to see how you could take your business even from 0 to those 100K months, and to be able to scale your business to 6 to 7 figures and beyond. So don't hesitate to click the link in the description and book a session with our team right now. See you in another video. Bye bye.